Okay, so this is part 4. You can let me see the service manual place. Last dust cleaning, and I got an idea somehow to protect and avoid some further residues or dust or whatever. I will have some tape and something else. Any dust particles will be stuck into the tape's glue rather than getting under the contacts. Okay, so here I have the keys and they really need to be clean. So here I have some water with some green soap, and let's do the magic. Yeah, let's start the mambo jumbo. Okay, so all these keys are washed, cleaned, not dry, but clean and checked for anything like dust or fat or anything else. Now I'm drying this and I'm ready to put them back into the keyboard. I'm pretty sure there is no more water or moisture or whatever in this key. And now let's start building the keyboard. Okay, I don't need the service manual because I have here the keys. So I'm starting. We have, you see, I think we first have to do the black ones. We can start with this guy here. Maybe I'll add some Vaseline or something later, but we can do it from this side of the board. You see there is a damper here, a kind of rubber damper. They are not small or long, they are all the same. It was just the yeah, right. Okay, so it was just the tension in the spring, so that was looking like short and long. Okay, then we have 1, 2, and the next this is E and F. But what I have to say, you see there are 2 ends, let's call it. It's like a cone or something, and the other one is like I don't know. So this big one, let's call it, it have to be on the top like that. Let me show you better. Here 2, 3, another 2. Okay, the next is another row of 3 like this. You see, that's the spring with the big head up. We put it down here first and just push it in there. Yeah, that should be fine. This is funny. I have a missing spring here. So what can I do? I think I'll take one from this one, put it here, and I'll improvise, praying how comes. I'm pretty sure it was absolutely okay. Really interesting. Maybe I can use something like this until the spring gets done. Let me see. Of course. Look here. You don't feel any difference. No way. Okay, maybe the spring is here somewhere. I have to look around, so that's not important for now. Let me clean the area, get the power supply on. Alright, I got the screw. But remember, just in case you can use something like this, you see? And it's working great. I knew it's impossible. I have the spring. Okay, power. The power is, no, it's not this one. Where are you? I have to be sure I'm not shorting anything around here. It's power on, volume up, and nothing. Oh, maybe. Funny. Yeah. Okay, F1 is not working. What's wrong with you? It's working. Yeah, the velocity, it's working. Yeah, okay guys, so this is the end of a really long day. The key is working. Velocities, everything is so fine. This app was kind of interesting, but now it's working. Everything is fine, so the keys are working. The next step, of course, is to take out the board here and to check all the contacts and everything. All right, that's it. This is part 4, of course. And as you can see, it's a bright new key. I'm really happy. Okay, subscribe, like, comment, and of course, have fun. Bye-bye.